own kind of tiny fragment of the installation. And
Hi, I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So guys, we're gonna react to something that I haven't seen before. It's my first time knowing this is in existence. So we're gonna react to the Tower of London poppies. No, this is not the actual poppy. These are actually roses. And I haven't seen these roses personally before. And these roses are in London. Right, so I have one question. Do anyone here who is watching this video know Bob Marley, this man? Please let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to see how well you guys are a fan of Bob Marley. Right, so without further ado, let's see what's up. So something like this. So this reads, right? There's a caption. The caption says, in 2014, artists Paul Cummings and Tom Piper, along with historical royal palaces, had a version to film the moat of the Tower of London. 888,246 chromatic poppies, which are the roses, one poppy for each British and colonial fatality during the First World War. So this is quite a shocker. This is, whoa, that's a lot of roses, bro. That's a lot of roses.
I was just in awe of how many people were here, honestly. It's just really nice to see the support from the whole city.
Such a lovely way to commemorate it.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Yeah,
Magic.
yeah.
Really moving.
It is very moving.
Tremendous.
Whether it's young people or old people, they've come in their hundreds, they've come in their thousands, and they've stood on the behind the railings, looking down into the moat, really from early in the morning until late at night. And I think why it's caught the imagination of the country is this particular number of 888,246. They fought in mass armies, but they were individual soldiers, and each...
These roses are freaking beautiful, right? I'm a Jamaican and I haven't seen these roses yet. And it's very surprising to see how much people traveled just to see these roses because of the World War and the reason why people planted them. It's a representation of the soldiers who died in the World War. So, right, and to see so much people here, right? But then, 2014, those times, bro, it is crazy.
Poppy represents an individual life lost and a family shattered. I think people can understand that.
My son was in the army as well. He served in Ireland, he served in Bosnia, and when I see that, I'm just really, really grateful that he came back.
Those are
My
beautiful.
mother is from Canada, and her, I believe, grandfather was a spy in the war, and so my mom wears a poppy every year. But
and that's what it's about. It's appreciation. It's always a little bit of appreciation. I mean, my father died from his injuries from the Second World War. My mum lost 4 brothers during the First World War too, so obviously that's where my passion comes from. But we're all in the same boat. You have 4 or 5 of wasn't it? This would be London, isn't it? So, and I love London. So.
And so I think it's become a kind of a place of pilgrimage, not
just a place where you see this artwork, or not just a place of commemoration because it's here. It's just become a kind of national focus. It started us asking questions about who.
It's so sad, right, that I'm away in Jamaica. I can't get to London to witness these beautiful poppies, bro. But to see people here gathered just to see the flowers from across the world, this is telling us that this place is a very special place. Very special indeed. And I could stay where I'm at now in Jamaica to see how incredible and how important these flowers are, bro. These roses are. Right? The commentary each person is giving, I can tell that is a very special gesture of these people by these flowers, bro. Trust me.
Who we are, what are we doing when we're commemorating? How warlike are we as a nation?
The thing about this is it reminds you that these people were human beings, just as you are a human being, just as the military personnel are human beings, and that interconnection, yeah, it's kind of everything. It breaks down the barriers of them versus us, or just a vast quantity of numbers. And I was at the closing sort of ceremony today, and the last poppy got put in, and by a little boy, and you think, that's a life, and you look around and there's more than 800,000 more lives, and it does hit you. Sometimes you look at the vastness of it and it's beautiful but hard to comprehend, and then this one poppy goes down and you think, okay, yeah, this is rather a lot.
We've had so many volunteers, so many people making the poppies, the whole of the Yeoman Water staff, the HRP staff.
Wow. That's a very tragic story, and it's also touching because to see people here embracing this, it's really phenomenal. It's something that people can able to look back daily to love and to support, bro. Trust me, and to see so much people here supporting these poppies, it tells a lot.
Number of people involved has been enormous, and I think unusually for a large artwork, it isn't then dominated by a single person or a single ego of an artist. In a sense, though me and Paul treat ourselves and believe that we are artists and this is an artwork, because we've been very open about it, I think we've allowed so many other people into it to take ownership of it.
Nobody that you've met on the project has been a bad seed. It's been a bunch of love, a load of stories that you really love to hear, and just the community has come I'm from from the US, and the UK spirit here has made me really proud that I moved here. I've been here 7 years, and I love the spirit of this project. It's just been amazing. So
people are able to bring their own family stories to it. Grandparents can explain to.
Whoa, and still the historical meaning beyond this, with everyone coming by to share their story, their past lives. It's really touching, bro. Like everyone here is just so happy. Everyone here is just making everything here look so put together. People here are having so much fun, right? And to see all of this here, it's very much new to me, and to have an experience of what the world is like, no, it's a bonus.
To their grandchildren, how they connect into this story of our nation.
You just have to remember, I mean, they gave their lives so that we can live in peace today, and you know, what greater gift can you give than your life?
I think it's very important to remember. I think it's a good thing because we're remembering people who've done something for us and who've lost their lives while doing that. And the least we can do, obviously, is remember them.
We've invited members of the public to send in the names of a loved one who lost their lives in the First World War. And we've read out about 200 every evening. And we've done that every evening from the 5th of August through until today. I read the last list at 11 o'clock on the 11th.
Lieutenant MJD's Victoria Cross, Royal Fusiliers.
the installation is going to live on in a new, different way in the next 4 years. You know, that there's the first thing, which is them all going out to the general public, the people who bought them, and them having their own kind of tiny fragment of the installation. And
it's tragic, right? It's tragic. It's really tragic, right? So much persons, right, who submit their names because these roses are representing each individual that lost their lives in the World War, and a lot of grandkids are there to represent their grandparents, right? And to see so much people submitting names daily, 200 people submitted names daily. This is to show you how massive this was, and that is very insane to know. Very insane to know.
then there are the two sculptural pieces which have been kindly bought for the nation, and we can take to various different locations to create some new installations relating to new buildings or new landscapes that can create a different kind of narrative on a smaller scale. And then the fact those are going to the Imperial War Museum and will be there, you know, for a long time as a focus for commemoration.
I've just come out of the volunteers office, and there's what we call the measle map, which is a little red dot on every part of the map where the volunteers have come from, and it goes from Singapore to Iceland, from Guinea, Sierra Leone to the west coast of the United States. It's an absolutely incredible geographic spread, and I think that the names on the roll of honour every night have come from all over the Commonwealth countries, and then these poppies are going off around the world. And what we really want to happen is that we want to send these poppies home now. The soldiers never got to go home.
The saddest thing is that as a Jamaican, I'm not sure if any Jamaican went there, but I can stand for my country that it would be great to go there and witness what everyone witnessed, and to have such phenomenal thing here. It's really fantastic. It's really fantastic, right? And even though it's in World War, right, my condolences goes out to the loved ones, right, who have lost someone. And it's going to be pressuring, or it's already pressuring, or it was pressuring, but it's a blessing.
But, you know, a lot of them will.
They shall grow not old, as we who are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them. We will remember them.
Wow. Oh, this is really beautiful. To sit and to witness this, it is amazing. Really amazing. Guys, if you guys have any more suggestions that you guys would like me to check out next, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll be happy to give my 2 cents on that next video. I'll see you guys in the next suggested video.